Kia ora tātai. Ko te pātai, why did you receive your Moko Kauae at school? Kia nei tuatahi, nā mihi ki aku tūpuna, nā tuku iho I waiho hia mai ara nā tikana. Ko te pātai ki a tātou, ka ora nā mokopuna I nā waihotanga ka whakarerea e tātou. Mai I ora he pātai tērā. Moko Kauae mata ora became one of our traditional Māori practices impacted by colonisation. The Suppression Act 1907, repealed in 1962, was aimed at replacing tohunga as traditional Māori healers. However, tohunga are expert practitioners of most ideas of Māori culture. There are tohunga in raranga, weaving, whakairo, carving, tohunga in the arts, nā toi, including nā mahi arehia, cultural performance. However, all tohunga have knowledge and practice in whakapapa, genealogy, that spans generations from Ranginui and Papatūānuku to today. Through their knowledge and practice, they tell our stories that are handed down from generation to generation, hence the culture is endless. By the 1950s, our practices had gone underground, including te reo Māori. Te reo was forbidden in public schools, as I experienced at the age of 5. The only moko kauae and mata ora were worn by those kuia and koroua who received such, regardless of the law. Such things were secret, and we as children were forbidden to witness such acts. My choice to receive my Moko Kauae openly as a school localised curriculum event was made in consultation with my whānau, school leadership and colleagues. My decision included demystifying our traditional practices. As well as the curriculum coverage of reading, writing, maths and topics, this was an opportunity to show our students the practice of our school values, which are manaaki, respect, mana whakahaere, responsibility, u ki te kaupapa, reliability, and tauira tino pai, role modelling positively. And of course, the hauora model of te whare tapawhā, our model of awareness for one's health and well-being, including taha tinana, taha wairua, taha whānau, taha hinenaro. Nā reira, that's the short version of why I received my Moko Kauae at school. Ngā mihi.